Hi, my name is Frank Lund. I'm the CEO of Kahuna Business Group and Kahuna Accounting. And I hate to admit this, but I was wrong. What I mean by that is I've had this business really since 1995, incorporated since 2004, been through several exits, have had a lot of ups and downs. And the one thing that a good friend of mine, business credit expert Ty Crandall, kept telling me at our mastermind meetings and other things is that I really needed to do a better job of understanding business credit in a way that really separated the credit from the EIN of the business versus my personal SSN and social security number. And I didn't really give a lot of thought to that because, again, I've built this business to an 8-figure business. Again, I've had some exits, and I didn't really think it was a big deal. And then I found out that there was a lot of things that were totally incorrect on our business credit, and the business was still relying not just on my personal credit, but my wife's personal credit that we used back in really 1997 because we couldn't afford anything else other than the credit cards that she had to start the business. And a lot of the credit that was being used within our business was still relying on that old system that was more than 20 years old. There was a lot of incorrect information. And again, Ty had shared with me that there's a number of things that can really throw off your business credit. And it really, I didn't think a lot about it, but what happened was it was forcing us to be able to get credit less than what we deserved with much shorter amortization schedules, with higher payments, with some terms that were not ideal. And I just kind of assumed it was the general economy and some other things. And I did not realize that there were some unforced errors in me not knowing and me not understanding exactly what was required and what was being reflected in the business credit, separate again from my credit. And even as we look to the value of the business, to be able to realize that the value of our business was significantly diminished, because if the business can't stand on its own and have its own credit, well, the value is less for somebody else at some point in time to come in and take over. Again, I hate to admit this, but I was wrong. I would urge you to take a look at this Business Credit Navigator program, because we originally started this specifically because we didn't understand exactly what was going on with a lot of our clients as well. And we found out through this program that most business owners have no idea, especially if you've been in business for any number of years, that there's a lot of erroneous information that's being reported, not again necessarily on your personal credit, although that is also in play here, but really with the business credit. And for the business credit to not have everything that it should have to be able to separate from you, the business owner. So we created Business Credit Navigator with the help of Credit Suite and all of their tools and all of their resources to be able to bring to bear a very simple system to be able to understand exactly where you are, what's being reported, and also what's available, maybe credit and other parts of the business that you can really improve significantly to be able to free up your cash flow for other more important and higher return on investment activities. Don't make the same mistake that I made thinking, oh, I'm good, we're fine, I've had this business for a number of years. The longer you've had your business, the more likely there is to be some baggage that you didn't know you didn't know. I think you'll be surprised, shocked maybe even, that you'll see what you didn't know when it comes to the credit that you have and the ability for you to maximize and navigate your business credit. Thank you.